The Millennium Falcon, the fastest ship in the galaxy. Speed means profit. Chewbacca, my fine money friend. Yes, as we discussed, you can leave the ship here. The spaceport has plenty of room, especially for the Falcon. What? No, it is perfectly safe. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. I found you the perfect ship. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it.
Saan tayo guys? Red.
Go. Red first.
There.
Oh wait, remember this?
Are you red?
We're red.
Hang out on the left side of the ship will fire.
We're red.
Red, come on. Let's get some pilots in front. Two gunners right behind our pilots and our engineers.
Yeah, full time. So no worries. All right. Perfect. Do you have any questions or comments, concerns?
All right, guys. Why are we fixing away from
All right.
pilots?
Welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise runways.
Sam, I was a nice girl.
seatbelts first. They go from the outside to the center. We recommend all backpacks go on the floor in front of you. You do ask that the pilots don't crash back. All right, tug the L tabs real quick. Make sure they're nice and secured. Tug. All right, hit the flash lights.
Make sure you get it there, okay, pilot? This is my light.
Flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing button.
Melody, Mr. Green.
Engineer. I'll do the thing to help out. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. Forward to fly down. Stick will be easy, eh?
Melody, there for
Your man's on right. Left pilot. Now let's look at that clock here. Make the jump to light speed. Those heavy guys are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Fire the shoot the car. Pilot brakes. My friends, that could have been fun. Okay. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I can go dancing out. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. The cargo is breaking, keep shooting. Good job, my friend. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Get out of here. A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get up. Containers are coaxium. It greatly helped the resistance. You heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Ooh, that was good. Thank you, pilot. It was a smooth ride.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Orphan, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms.
Is it not over?
You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a straight. All right, I am making an executive decision.
It's all that before the
That was a
Wookiee
fun
season.
ride. Thank you.
Thank you.
They will use the